Look at this, you guys. Sorry about the fans. They're super loud. But look at this. Walmart is not done setting up for Christmas. These are all brand new boxes that they have to stock inside. Hope you guys can hear me. So we're out here looking for more Grinches with no luck. But look at all of the stuff Walmart has to stock inside. That's a lot. They got the Christmas lights. I don't know if we're supposed to be over here, but I'm over here. Look at this. I don't know where Walmart is going to put it because they already have a lot of stuff inside. So we're giving you a sneak peek. Oh, we sold a bunch of these this year. This is cute. A 5-piece set, entryway set with clear light. Oh. Look at all this. It says Christmas open stock. A bunch of Christmas bowls. Ooh, I am so glad I don't work for Walmart. What's this? Oh, super cute. I don't know why this is in Christmas. Look at all this stuff, eh? Alright, so sneak peek, sneak peek. Christmas plates. Some more Christmas trees. That's going to be your storage unit next year. Looking like this.
I hope, yeah.
Look at this. These fans are loud. Alright, look. We're still turning around, you guys. And they have more stuff. No Grinch? No Grinch. Alright, so... Ooh, man, can you imagine working for Walmart and putting all this stuff on the shelves? Alright, so we're in the outdoor section. Look how cute this is. Oh, look at this one too, man. Look. This is super cute. Babe, our son will love this. Since you didn't want to give him that big monster truck,
I did.
then we could definitely get this. How much is it? What is this called? Like a Dune Buggy? Look at how nice this is, you guys. Oh, so is it gas?
Yeah.
Look at this. You guys, we may have to get this for my son. You guys can see the wheels. That is super nice. Look, I could probably fit in there. Okay, we're trying to find a price for this.
1,000.
How much?
1,000.
$1,000? Oh, we're gonna have to wait till that hit 100% off. Oh no. But look at this one. Did you check this one? That's nice too, you guys. For $1,000, I get a big one. Right? That's crazy. Alright, so we're gonna try to check the price on this one. I'll wait for my husband. Oh, here it is. Dang, here's a box right here. Alright, so this is a real tree go-kart. And that's it right here.
That's a big box.
That is a huge box. Look at that. Can you imagine putting this box in your car? That box is huge.
It'll fit.
Ooh, okay, this one says ages 13 and over. Look at that. Alright, look at that. All sales are final. So that's that one. They got a bunch of bikes here. And sorry, I feel like I'm screaming because these fans are super loud. Hey, can you scan one of these? Scan one? And what? Huh? Scan one of these. Alright, so look at all the bikes they have. Walmart is fully stocked up with bikes. So if you guys need a bike for your little one, this is the perfect time. We actually bought bikes a few months ago for our kids. They were like $17 at Walmart, so we got a good deal. Look how cute this is. Look how little this is. Super cute Hot Wheels. They got this frozen bike. The little girl can put the doll here. So they got a ton of bikes. I'm gonna come down here so you guys can see. Here's a Paw Patrol. Super cute. Here's Spider-Man. And look at this, you guys. Super cute. Super cute. So right now we're just doing a walkthrough, showing you guys what Walmart has. They still got a bunch of grills over here. If you guys are looking for a grill for your backyard, this is the perfect time to come. They should be going down in price though. But look at all the grills. $5.97. We're definitely gonna wait for that one. This one right here is $1.97. Blackstone. Whoa, look at that. Oh, somebody dropping something. All right, pit box, 40 pounds. Ooh, that thing is big. Look at that. Almost 800. They crazy. Pit box, $4.97. They got more bikes down here. Wow, this Walmart got a bunch of bikes. Look at these bikes over here. Look at that. Alright, so again, we're outside right now. We're looking for more Grinches, but we can't find any. It's getting crowded in here. My husband's scanning. Bye! 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 Bye!
You're weird.
Oh, you got pretty eyes. Look at your eyes. Oh.
I know.
Oh, look at my husband's eyes, you guys. Ooh, that's why I married him. Alright, right now, we are checking out the Walmart Christmas section. Look at all these trees. You know what, babe? This looks like our storage unit with these trees.
I want it to look like for next year.
Okay, so next year when Walmart hits, what is it, 75 or 90? This is what our storage unit is going to look like the next time. You don't get all these?
I would love to get all these.
Man, we would need like 5 storage units.
I'm not on Walmart's level yet.
All right, now you guys got to remember too, you guys cannot buy a Christmas tree from Walmart. You guys got to come to Angel on the Go. Come on, you guys got to support us. And so we're just looking and see if we see anything that we don't have this year. No, you're not getting it. You guys, look at this. That looks messed up though.
Nah, it ain't too bad.
Yeah, the paper's torn. All right, look at my husband's style, you guys. You guys remember the live we did? That's not, oh, it looks kind of dented.
The box is a little beat up.
Come on, we're leaving it. No more Grinches. Yeah, this box is kind of messed up. Let's check it out. So if you guys remember the live video that we did last week, well, how long ago was that? Like a couple weeks?
A week and a half?
Yeah, the last live that we did, we told you guys about this Grinch. This is how big the box is, you guys. So we're trying to give you guys some clues. What are you doing? Trying to fix the box?
Oh, I'm taking it.
You're going to buy it? Oh, Lord. Look at this. So this is the Grinch that we had for $149. If you guys didn't watch the live video, you guys have to go back to that live to see what we told you guys about the Grinch, because we're not going to tell you now. You guys got to look at the video. Are you serious going to buy this? I should have never went down this aisle.
Don't make mistakes.
And you don't have no cart. Where's your cart?
I left it on the ground.
That's why you got to carry. Is it heavy? All right, we're going to see what else we can find, you guys. All right, look at this shark. Look how big it is. I have no clue how big it is, but it's huge. It's only $20. Not a bad price. I might get this for my son. Here's a tag here. Let's see. All right, it just says Jumbo Plush. $20. This is super big. How big do you think this is?
How big?
Yeah.
Probably like 72 inches.
72. This is huge. So they got this one. They have this big, huge blue one.
I'll say how big it is?
It just says jumbo plush. Can you pick this one up? All right, my husband's gonna pick this one up. Look at this, you guys. That is huge. What's that, a dolphin or a unicorn?
Wow.
Oh, what?
Wow.
A unicorn whale?
Yeah.
I don't know.
A unicorn whale?
That is huge. So they got a couple down here. And again, it's only 20 bucks. All right, you guys can see the Walmart people working right now. Look, Walmart people stocking up. And the only people besides us are probably the Walmart people. We don't see too many people in here. Look at this, the aisle that goes all the way down, you guys, and there's nobody. All right, you guys, I got my comfortable brand new shoes on. So I'm chilling. They feel like I'm walking on pillows because I'm trying to find you guys the deals. Let's see what else we can find. All right, we found some clearance. If you guys are looking for the Fujifilm waterproof cameras, we used to have these back in the days, but if you guys are looking for these, they're only ringing up, how much? I think these are $5. So these are only ringing up $5, you guys. And these would be cute for Christmas. There's a UPC. And again, these are ringing up $5. You guys, look at my husband back here. He's always on his phone. He's gonna bump into something. He's always on his phone. He's always on Amazon, you guys. All right, so we're gonna see what else we can find. If not, we're out to Walmart number 2. All right, so we now left Walmart and we end up getting the Grinch. Of course, we needed some more boxes because he shops too much. We got my baby, the giant nerd, and we got some packing tape. So we're off to Walmart number 2 to see what else they have and to see if we can find any more Grinches.
What's up?
All right. See you guys. All right, you guys. It's not even a full 15 minutes after we just left Walmart. And you guys seen in the cart what we got. What do we get to remind them?
The Grinch that I said that I told you guys about. And again, I'm not gonna say it again, but I told you to get it. Go watch the live.
That's it. Okay, so in the store you put the Grinch up.
Yeah.
All right. We just left the store not even 15 minutes ago.
What I say? What's gonna happen?
We gotta go get some more.
I said it was gonna sell today.
I don't think I caught that on video when you said that.
Really?
I don't know.
That was the most important part of this.
I don't know. I just want to see where it says sold so I can show them real fast.
All right. So this is my orders, and this is a pending order.
Okay, I hope I'm not getting no personal information on here.
No, it's not. I'm not on that screen.
Okay.
Let me brighten it.
I can see a little bit. Okay.
I spent $150.
Okay, so we spent $149.99, which is about $150. We just left Walmart 15 minutes ago, and my husband listed it on the platform in the store. Look at that, you guys. $389.99. Boom, boom, boom. We're about to go to a couple more Walmarts and find some more Grinches.
Told ya.
Told you guys. You guys have to listen to Angel on the Go. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.